Now, if you're a student, tech professional, or tech enthusiast, I welcome you to watch this video to this end because in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your free resources absolutely free. And this is real. So guys, welcome to the Tutorialslink community. In this community, we help you to the most important articles, most important code snippets, or anything that you would love to have it to watch. Now, when I do talk about Tutorialslink, obviously tutorialslink.com is a fantastic platform where you can learn things for free. When we enter, now let me get you a guide first, and then I can tell you, and then you can only feel that what it is inside. Now, when you yourself get into the website straightforward about tutorials library, articles, the videos, daily newses, tutorials, right? Okay, let's just something that we would be getting straightforward. You have a great amount of articles, be it any technology that you wanted, be it Google, be it AWS, be it React, be it SQL, Azure, Django, and again, Xamarin is the best for Xamarin developers, right? So without wasting any more time, let's just dive into the content of what we call the free resources. So click on the tutorials link tab, and when you click on it, you can see thousands of things that you as a learner can have the benefit of being able to start something new. Suppose if I'm a beginner and I want to learn about, let me just think about okay, let me just learn about JavaScript. JavaScript is a fantastic way to learn about the front end. So yes, see, it's all free and it's all so much in detail. When you click on the next, you have the text, you have the theory, you have everything that you wanted, from very basic to something you can be very beneficial about. Now when I have a bag and I think about I should learn about why not about Python. So you can see you can have a lot about Python. You can learn things for free at least, right? Now let's just not stop there. We should go ahead and learn about Tableau, about data analytics. Click on it and you can see that's a free, absolutely free video to get yourself started, to get yourself something. At least you can learn something for free, right? Like, come on, who gets you so much of the things for free? Well, try to visit tutorialslink.com because in this website you are going to get absolutely free resources for, be it tutorials, be it articles, be it code snippets. A fantastic way to get yourself started. Click on the MySQL, right? You want to learn about MySQL or HR account, you can get a practice problem sets here. It's a fantastic way to learn about things. And when suppose if you are very eager to know about C or data structure with C language, right? Welcome to the data structure of C, and you can again move around, learn things for free, understand it, and you can have the enjoyment. Now when I talk about, it's not only about the articles that have been presented to you in front of a screen. You're going to learn and you're going to do things. We got you covered more. Now you want to learn about, or you want to know about the latest trends, the latest technology, latest the features of any technology. Click on the article section and you'll be happy to know that that is not ending. The reason why I tell you, the list goes here with so much of the articles. It's not just it's not going to almost we have a 1500 plus of articles, and to get yourself acquainted with the latest functions, with the latest features, with the latest the important terms, technologies for everything that you wanted, from Google Cloud, from Amazon AWS, from Microsoft Azure, from even we have the software development lifecycle, right? A fantastic article to get yourself something that you should be learning about. Okay, it's okay if you don't know nothing, but why it's not okay? Because you should also look into a free resource. It's perfectly fine because a free resource has nothing to lose. Go ahead, go into tutorialslink.com, search into the website, explore the website, and it's a fantastic website, a fantastic resource. I wouldn't call it a website. I'd say it's a resource bucket. Whatever you put into your hand, whatever you get it for free. And that is 100% free. Nobody's charging you anything, nobody's asking you anything. Go ahead, learn things, and fantastic way to do things for, everything that you wanted, be it Java, be it C Sharp, anything, right? So you can just have look over to and look over to it. It's a fantastic way to learn things. Now if you do want to have learn about videos, we have a video section here where you can click and understand the video section, and you can understand it. It's really fantastic way to get yourself acquainted. Now when we talk about providing something free, we have a section of ebooks where you can download any of the ebooks for free. And when you click, suppose I click over to Sarthak's ebooks, that is Angular.js, quick examples. Click on it, click on the download, and boom, you're good to go. You have a free ebook, and you can have a free, absolutely free resource to start. A fantastic resource to start your journey. It's fantastic. Now sometimes it might not be possible for you to get your IDE, your favorite IDE for your languages onto your system due to some requirements. We got you covered. Truly, we got you covered. Click on the online IDE and you can see we have like IDEs for Python, for C Sharp, HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, and so on. It's a fantastic way to, when you click on it, and it's like you have the ready of the IDE, and you can just click on the run and you can see your output over here. It's a fantastic way to learn things from very scratch, and again, free. It's totally free. Nobody's asking you for money, nobody's asking for anything that you wanted. It's absolutely free, absolutely for anything, anytime, anything, right? When we click about the code snippets, you can look about the code snippets when we have here like JavaScript function, right? We have here. And again, when you click about the MCQs, now this is a fantastic option. Suppose you are getting yourself ready for an interview, or you want to test your knowledge, or you want to know whatever things exactly you wanted. So let me just hit and click on something cloud computing. Let's just click for the AWS general questions, right? And I can see it's absolutely free. The MCQs are absolutely free, absolutely. It's just try. If you don't know something, learn it. If you know something, check it. And if you're great, if you have all the things correct, it's absolutely great for you that you can now confident and you have your interview in your hands. So it's a fantastic option to learn about MCQs. Suppose it's not about just AWS or Azure. You can click upon anything, like click upon this, you have C Sharp, Python, Core Java, C++, JavaScript, a never-ending list. And when you click on the MCQs, again back to the and click on the development tool, you have the DevOps here, and this is what it is. So guys, in this session I have taken your time, but in that meantime I have guided you through the various resources provided by Tutorialslink community team. It's actually so much of the free, so much of the easy, and again, it's totally free. Nobody's asking you for anything. So without wasting any more time, at least for yourself, go ahead, click on tutorialslink.com, hover to the site, explore it, and I think you will be getting at least a resource which can get you for free, at least to move on your track. Right? So guys, thank you and have a great day ahead. This was Subham, and do take care. Bye bye.